Hello again. I hope you are still having a wonderful Wednesday and that you're getting ready to go out and enjoy some of the sunshine. Not sure how warm it is. Yesterday was pretty chilly. I actually had to move some plants inside. It was so cold. But hopefully it warmed up a little bit today. That sun looks super inviting. On to our mass so that you can get all your jobs done and go enjoy that sunshine. There's already a video up going over this. Make sure you watch that and check that out. Make sure you did your work correctly. I'm about to help you out with your story problem of the day, so hold tight for that. Don't forget to be practicing your division facts. I think across the board we could all be a little bit faster at division. You guys are super fast, some of you, at multiplying, but when you got to flip the brain around and work on dividing, it slows you down. So practice that up today. And then you've got your multiplication race game that you should be practicing, because on Friday that will be your job. So make sure you know how to play it. All right, on to our problem of the day, which I'm not going to lie to you, I'm super excited about, because when I was your age up until probably college, questions like this used to hurt my head. It's just a lot of words and it sounds like a riddle to me, and I'm not very good at riddles, and it would always just bug me. But the model drawings in my brain help me the absolute most with problems like this. They make them so that I can look at it and go, well, that was easy. Because really the math inside of them isn't normally too hard. It's just hidden in a whole bunch of words. And the model drawing helps me break out the words and figure out what I'm looking at. So I'm excited about this. It says, Robin is 11 years old. Her mother, Gwen, is 2 years more than 3 times Robin's age. So how old is Gwen? All right, let's chunk that out. Robin is 11. Her mother, Gwen, is 2 years more than 3 times Robin's age. I got 2 chunks of math here, so I gave it 2 chunks. And I want to know how old Gwen is. So make sure your sentence has a labor. If I'm going with old, I'm measuring in, if you're thinking years, good for you. Okay? So your sentence should be something along the lines of Gwen is blank years old. Make sure you get that label into there. All right, now here's how these bars work. They're a little bit different than the model drawing bars we've been doing, but they still help, I think. So we're still looking for Gwen's age. That's really what my bars are about. Except this time, I don't have just one thing I'm looking for. I'm looking for a couple things, because I have a Robin to think about, and I have a Gwen, or her mom, depending on how you want to label her, to be thinking about. So let's go through my stuff, see if there's anything I for sure know. Robin is 11 years old. That I can work with, because that tells me right there what Robin's bar is. Robin is 11. That's what her bar's worth. That was convenient. Her mother, Gwen, is 2 years more than 3 times Robin's age. I'm going to skip this chunk for now. I don't really know how to show that just yet. But I can show you 3 times Robin's age, kind of like those models that we just did for the numerical expressions. If Robin is 11 and Gwen is 3 times that much, that means Gwen needs to have 3 sets of 11. Remember, try to keep your boxes pretty close to the same, because we know that they're the same. So they should look about the same. So there was that chunk. And now it tells me that Gwen is, on top of being 3 times her age, she's also 2 years more than that. I'm going to put another little box on the end for her extra 2. There's all my chunks. My question is, how old's Gwen? So which line do I need to consider here? I need to be thinking about Gwen's line and how old she is. Okay, after that you just have to solve it out. This is a pretty standard bar because I know all the totals for Gwen. I just have to put them together. So I look forward to hearing your explanations and things like that. I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.